Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. I like this door pod. It's solid. Looks good. Man.
Last year I had the 8 DDX12s in here.
Oh wow, this is unique. That's pretty cool. You actually have a sub almost in your port, in the port, but it'll still work. I mean, I'm sure
it works. Probably could work better if they were all in the back, but I don't have the space.
Yeah.
I got the airspace, I just don't have the baffle space.
So what made you put it like this instead of just two, or changing it a different way? Something different. Something different, yes sir.
Yeah.
So it's like a 6th order.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
10-inch port in the rear.
Are these ZVX?
Yeah, ZVX 18s.
Nice.
From RP 4500 on each one at 1 ohm.
Okay. Did you ever figure out your tunings?
I'm 22 on the rear, and I'm about 40, or I'm probably about 53 on the front right now. So I'm still trying to dial this part in a little bit.
Yes, sir. Nice.
Still breaking them in too, so I've got them.
Yes, sir.
Sit back and relax.
You're good, man.
Relax.
What's your
Sit back.
You're good. What's your electrical like? Your battery on there?
I got 2 Limitless Cyber 12Ks and a 390 Brand X alternator.
Okay.
So far right now.
All right. Yeah. Is there anything on this side?
Yeah, I'm at high amps.
Nice.
I should have left that window down over there. I didn't let it ventilate.
So this is your 3 4500s?
Yeah.
Wow, you really built in your tight space in that. Man, it's really hot out too. The amps are hurting.
Yeah,
even if you're barely playing them. Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready to hear it. Sorry about that.
That's all right.
Nice. Looks good.
And relax. Relax. You're about to get rustified.
You should see me in a crowd. No, there's nothing to think about. One night. You should see me in a crowd. Silence is my favorite sound. Think about. Watch them fall.
I'm okay. I'm not your baby. If you think I'm pretty.
I don't know if it's just a song or try a different song. Let's see.
You're good.
Rustified, it ain't justified. Only when it's dark out, only when it's dark out. We move when it's dark out, we live when it's dark out. Bitch, I am a zombie. I get no sleep. I'm killing everything in sight. Bitch, I'm a zombie.
Something's weird with it right now.
Something acting up.
Yeah. Yeah. I got two. I must have blown the fuses on.
They didn't protect.
No lights.
It's really hot out too. The amps are hurting.
Yeah.
Even if you're barely playing them.
Pretty hot.
Yeah.
You should see me in a crowd. I know there's nothing to watch me talk about.